A little further back, then cut the wheel.
Okay, the registration is complete on my end.
Gross weight confirmed at 40,000 liters.
Noted. Quality check initiated.
Hoses connected, ready for transfer. Flow rate stabilizing at 5,000 liters per minute. Pressure is optimal.
Turbidity levels are well within tolerance.
Excellent. The new filters are performing as expected.
Automated systems adjust the milk's fat content precisely. Digital controls ensure consistency. Caucasian female workers monitor computer screens carefully.
Temperature holding steady at 72. Yeah. System stable. Flow rate looks good.
The temperature is holding steady at 72 degrees Celsius.
Excellent. The sensors are maintaining the parameters perfectly.
Freshly pasteurized milk enters powerful cooling units. Chillers reduce temperatures quickly. Female workers monitor conditions closely.
Special yogurt cultures are added to the fresh milk. African American female workers supervise the process carefully.
The pH levels are exactly where we want them.
Confirmed. The viscosity looks excellent too. Consistency looks perfect. Confirmed. Systems show we're good to go.
Advanced instruments provide detailed results. Every batch receives approval. Quality assurance protects customer trust. Precision remains essential.
The yogurt becomes uniform throughout. Quality remains protected. The next stage approaches.
These berries look absolutely perfect, Juan. Great color and firmness. We just got them in this morning, sir. Ready for processing?
Fresh blueberries arrive by the thousands. Quality inspectors check freshness carefully as the berries move onto conveyors. Blueberry puree combines with fresh yogurt. Deep purple colors spread through the mixture. Young workers monitor consistency carefully.
The peach flavor is developing beautifully. Yeah. Consistent quality across the board, ready for the next flavor.
Viscosity levels are within tolerance.
Excellent. We can authorize the production run.
Automated fillers dispense strawberry yogurt into cups. Every container receives an exact amount. African American workers inspect the process continuously. Aluminum lids are applied automatically. Heat sealing machines secure every yogurt cup. East Asian female workers monitor seal quality carefully.
We are running at full capacity on this line. Good. Dispatch the next transport vehicle.
Did you scan the last shipment from the conveyor?
Yeah, we're fully stocked on strawberry for the next run.
Head west on the freeway. Merge onto Interstate 80 West. Your estimated arrival time is 1400 hours Pacific Time.